Well, hello and welcome to the first inaugural IndustrialSage Headlines video series. I'm Danny Gonzales and I'm back. Excited to be sharing this with you. We're going to be rolling this out on a weekly or bi-weekly cadence for the next several weeks and months, and hopefully look to accelerate it. The reason why we're doing this is fitting into our mission on really changing that perception of the industry, right? A lot of people think that it's dirty and it's grimy and it's dungy, it's not full of innovation. Those people are completely dead wrong. We are using IndustrialSage to be able to share through storytelling the amazingness that's happening inside the manufacturing industrial space. And so IndustrialSage Headlines is going to be part of that, where we're going to be sharing critical news updates that you're seeing in the manufacturing and the industrial supply chain space. And we're excited to be sharing that with you. We're going to be doing that on a bi-weekly cadence, and then hopefully be accelerating that over the next few months as we grow to critical mass. So let's jump into today's inaugural IndustrialSage Headlines. Let's get started. A recent study from IBM shows a major shift in how businesses see AI. It's no longer just an experiment. AI agents are now considered vital for future success. The survey predicts AI-powered work will jump 8 times by late 2025. This isn't just talk. 64% of current AI budgets are now going to core business tasks, showing a clear move from testing to full use. Leaders are seeing big cost savings and better decision making. And for industrial leaders, this means AI, especially adaptable AI agents, are becoming a key part of staying competitive. It's now about how fast companies can get advanced systems working. So if your AI isn't essential yet, you might want to ask it for a performance review on itself. While AI is clearly charting the course, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Our next story zeroes in on the broader blueprint manufacturers are laying out for the year, including critical areas like talent and cybersecurity. New research from Revelize gives manufacturers a clear plan for 2025, pointing to 3 key priorities: using new tools and tech, boosting data security, and fixing the ongoing worker shortage. The study shows strong commitment to digital changes, with 91% of companies planning to adopt new tech and bigger software budgets. This includes more AI for quality control. A main challenge is still training workers to use these new tools. Manufacturers are clearly focused on using advanced robots, IoT, and AI to get ahead, while also knowing that they need to invest in their people and strong cybersecurity. This all-around approach is vital for handling fast tech changes and staying strong. In short, manufacturers are realizing that the best offense is a good defense for their data, and a great offense is a smart workforce. Beyond the strategic blueprint for technology and talent, manufacturers are constantly navigating geopolitical currents. Our next headline brings you the latest on U.S. China trade, which a new framework deal is causing quite a stir. Recently, President Trump announced a framework deal with China after 2 days of intense trade talks in London. This agreement, while still needing final approval from both leaders, aims to ease ongoing trade issues. Building on an earlier deal from Geneva, the proposed plan reportedly keeps the U.S. tariffs at 55% on Chinese goods and China's tariffs at 10% on U.S. goods. Talks also covered important topics like rare earth minerals. Even though tariffs are still a big part of trade, this step is seen as a way to steady the economic relationship and make trade more predictable. Businesses should still keep an eye on these efforts, as they directly affect where they get supplies and how they access global markets. It seems that the world's 2 largest economies have found a framework to agree to disagree, at least for now. Keep those supply chain managers on your speed dial. The industrial landscape isn't just about new tech, but it's also about strategic growth and market consolidation. Our next headline highlights a significant acquisition in the sector, as Honeywell makes a bold move to strengthen its core business. Industrial giant Honeywell has made a strategic move, buying Sundyne for over $2 billion, $2.16 billion to be exact. Sundyne makes highly engineered pumps and compressors. This buy will greatly boost Honeywell's strong range of products, especially in key industrial and energy sectors. By adding Sundyne's special fluid and gas technology, Honeywell aims to grow its market reach, deepen its technology know-how, and offer more complete solutions to customers worldwide. For executives, this shows a clear trend of big industrial companies joining forces and investing to improve their core strengths. drive new ideas, and stay ahead in a fast-changing market. This acquisition means Honeywell just got even bigger in the industrial game. Guess they're not just setting the standard, they're buying it. Beyond high-level corporate acquisitions, we're also tracking significant on-the-ground investments in manufacturing. Our final headline today brings a prime example as Volvo Construction Equipment announces a major expansion of its North American production. Volvo Construction Equipment is showcasing strong belief in the North American market by announcing a big expansion of its production here. This move shows a wider trend among global manufacturers to make their local supply chains stronger, rely less on far-off production, and react faster to market needs. For industrial executives, this clearly signals that companies are increasingly choosing to spread out their manufacturing in different regions, and the expansion aims to help Volvo serve its North American customers better, possibly cutting down delivery times and improving logistics. This investment highlights how appealing manufacturing in the U.S. is becoming as companies try to lower their global risks and make their operations stronger in a changing world. So it looks like Volvo is building more than just equipment. They're actually bringing jobs to America. And that wraps up today's headlines for IndustrialSage Headlines. I'm Danny Gonzales. Thank you so much for watching this first inaugural episode. Be excited. For more, stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll be sending you some more great content and stories on the top headlines in the manufacturing, industrial, and supply chain space. Stay tuned.